So objective is to connect 3 pins. The video goes to pin 3 of the connector. The video shield and the audio shield go to pin 4, and the audio goes to pin 5. The cable that I've prepared here has 3 separate conductors. It has audio left and right and video. So what I've done is I tied the video shield and the audio shields together as one entity, and the audio left and right as the second connection, and the video is this guy right here is the third. So what we want to try to do is to solder these to this connector here. And the diagram which I'm giving Mike shows the connector. Right now, pin 1 is at the top on the right, and pin 2 is next to it. Pin 3 has some solder in it because we tried to solder the video connector to pin 3, and we weren't able to get it to hold, mostly because I have my arm in a sling. And then 4 is next to it, and then pin 5 is the other pin. So the 3 pins that we need to connect to are pin 3, 4, and 5. And we'll include the diagram which shows the old cabling. You know, if there's a better way to do it by cutting the cable that I got from Mike, then that would be fine as well, whatever. Or maybe you know of a cable that can be used. So the objective is to convert from this connector here, which is on Mike's VTR, this old connector, to audio left and right and video. That's what we're trying to do. And we're maybe going about it the wrong way. Thank you.